Waiter. Bombar command sa dead people. Waiter man, yo.
The blood clot. You know lang from this boy. Yo, what the food there? You know bounty thing is load.
Wait another minute, minuno lang niya ka chat man.
Jesus Christ. My belly talk to me.
Oh, hungry. Yo, ako circle boy.
You hungry?
Waiter!
Yo, waiter.
Waiter man. Come on, waiter me.
Me a foul, me a put on gravy pan.
Ay, dyan.
Put gravy dem pan na my lord, me a foul na. Sawe. Ika. Yo. Awan fa kay siya. Ay nasa. Yeah, you got it. Ya cha Nixon, get pa man. This nga yung ano tingo. Come then me ya come with up. Yo, me say. So may blood clot juice. Yo, ya put on with clot juice. Ano sa Chinese style? Blood clot. Yeah, man. Chinese style pa na dyan. Chinese food. Oh man. Ano? Yo, yaga bless the food. Yo, basta yaga bless the food. Bless the food, channel. Alright, you ready now? Oy, what? Let blood clot. Me blood clot.
Awake siya na kung blood clot. Dyan. Yo, I take you, I take. Coffee. Ay, look. Wait. Yaga niya minaw. Basta yaga blood clot.
Yo, wait for
Ano ko sabi? Blood clot. Yaga niya. Wala siya ako.
Chinese restaurant ni Manu.
Yang kanya nak blood clot. Yo, Afghan yang nak. Blood clot Chinese. Chinese. Yan hanya ni. Yang sapak. Yan hanya ni.
No,
Alright. Bawan mo.
Agad.